Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Liana and I will explain about narrative text. The definition of narrative text is a story with complex or problematic event and tries to find the resolution to solve the problem. An important of narrative text is the narrative mode, a method used to communicate the narrative text through a process narration. B. The purpose of narrative text. The purpose of narrative text is to amuse or to entertain the reader with a story. C. General structure of narrative text. Orientation. State the scan where and when the story happens and introduce the participant of the story, who and what is involved in the story. 2. Complication. Tell the beginning of the problem, which leads to the climax of the main participant. 3. Resolution. The problem that creates a resolved and threatens a happy ending or a sad tragic ending. 4. Reorientation or coda. This is a constant remark to the story and its completion consists of a moral lesson expert or teach him from the reader. Example of narrative text: The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, a mother duck set out her eggs. He felt tired of sitting on them. She just wished the eggs would break out. Several days later, she got her wish. The egg cracked and some cute little duckling afraid. Peep, peep, the little duckling cried. Quack, quack, their mother greeted in return. However, the largest egg had not cracked. The mother duck and several days finally cracked and hooked ugly duckling went out. The mother duck hugged him in surprise. He was also big afraid. He didn't look like the other at all. He was like a turkey. When the mother duck brought the children to the pond the first swimming lesson, the hugger duckling splashed and paddled about just nicely, and the other duckling did. That is not a turkey. Kick he is my very own son, and quite handsome, the mother said proudly. However, the other animals didn't agree. They hissed and made fun of it day by day. Even his own sister and brother were very unkind. You are very ugly, they quacked. The little fur duckling was very unhappy. I wish I looked like them, he thought to himself. One day the ugly duckling ran away and headed the business. The sad duckling lived alone throughout the cold and snowy winter. Finally, the spring flower began to bloom. While he was swimming in the pond, he was delighted with Sam swimming toward. Oh dear, this beautiful bird will love and pick me too, he said to himself. But the swan did not have instead. The swans around him stroked him with their bills, and the ugly duckling bent his neck to speak to them. He saw reflection in the water. He could not believe his eyes. I'm not an ugly duckling, but I'm a beautiful swan, he exclaimed. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.